Hello friends, today we are going to make Biranga Millet Uttappa. To prepare the batter for Biranga Uttappa, these are the following ingredients. Pinch of haldi, 1 tablespoon jeera, half cup rice flour, 1 cup ragi flour, 1 cup rava, 1 cup dahi and half tablespoon dhaniya powder, 1 cup grated paneer, 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup chopped cabbage, green chilli and ginger paste, 1 cup carrot grated and finely chopped half cup of dhaniya. So friends, I have taken a big bowl and I have transferred all the ingredients and I have given it a nice mix. Now the batter is ready for preparing the Biranga Millet Uttappa. So friends, now the pan is ready. I have greased it with oil. Now I am going to put the batter to prepare the Uttappa. Spread it. Now add a 1 teaspoon of oil and on a low flame roast it until golden brown. So my Uttappa is cooked from one side. Now I am flipping it to other side and roast it for 1 minute. So now my Uttappa is ready. I am going to transfer it in a plate and ready to eat. So friends, now I am garnishing it with some grated cheese because as you know children like cheese. So sprinkle it and serving with tomato chutney, coconut chutney and sauce. So ready to eat Biranga Millet Uttappa.